Hey everyone, it's Masai29 again, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your Bose Quiet Comforts 35 when one of your speakers does not work. Now currently my right speaker does not work and the sound only comes out from this headset. So with everything in this video, including this lottery ticket that I won and this knife and this flashlight, I'm going to show you how to fix this in real time without using a soldering iron. So currently the headphones are on by this little light that's somewhere here. Where's that light? Right there. And I have it connected to my TV just so you can hear some royalty-free music. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to take off the right earbud or your earbud that does not work. You're going to take off the foam. Pops out like that. Then I'm going to bring it closer. You are going to just remove this little tape, sticky tape. It should be, this is a replacement. So you remove it. Okay. So what you're going to do, use this flashlight. Right inside here, you see these little grooves right here? That's what we're going to use to fix this. But I want you to hear first what it sounds like, just so you know in real time that this is going to work. So I'm going to hit play on my TV, just so you can hear this music. Let's hit play. And I'm going to turn the volume up just so you can hear what is going on. So let's see. Okay. See that? See, no sound is coming out from this one, but it's coming out from this one. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna get a little piece of paper, not a lottery ticket win, but whatever. You get a knife, just gonna cut it in half. I know this looks stupid, but it's going to work. All right. You're gonna fold it in half like this, small as you can. I'm gonna fold it again. Again, I'm only using a knife because I don't have a scissors. If you have a scissors, that's fine. Fold it again. Okay, and if you want, you could just rip off the excess. And I'm gonna show you, again, this is showing you in real time how to fix this. So please bear with me. I know this looks very stupid. All right, here we go. Now that you have it folded like this, you are going to just lift up this right here. And let me put this closer. You see these little grooves right here? This last, oh, focus. Okay, this last groove right there, you're gonna push the paper inside, forward, and then you're gonna bend this back over this ribbon cable. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna put it in, hold, push forward. You're gonna push it in. Okay. If you want, if it bends, whatever paper you're using, just bend it back, double it up like this. Okay, here we go. We're gonna stick it in that last hole right in there. And there we go. And now it works. Listen. So, that is how you fix your Bose Quiet Comfort 2 without using a soldering iron and voiding your warranty. If you like my video, guys, please rate, comment, and subscribe. Close this back down. And then you just reverse the steps and put back on your AirPods. That is how you get your headphones to work. Again, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.